Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I am a sunfish, an ocean sunfish. My friends call me Mola Mola. That's Latin for millstone, which describes my circular shape. If you follow me along today, you're going to learn some basic facts about a Mola Mola, including reproduction, predators, and conservational issues. Come on. I give my name, the ocean sunfish, because I like to bask in the sun all day. My species emerged about 35 to 45 million years ago. We're the largest and heaviest bony fish in the ocean. Some of my relatives can measure up to 14 feet vertically and 10 feet horizontally, and weigh up to 5,000 pounds.
Wow!
Molas develop their truncated shape because the back fin, which they are born with, simply never grows. Instead, it folds into itself as the enormous creature matures, creating a round rudder called a clavis. Molas are related to puffers and porcupine fish because of their fused teeth that compromises their characteristic beak, also known as tetradontiforms.
Mola molas like to hang out in temperate and tropical oceans around the world. Our lifespan is about 10 years. My mouth is fused together in a beak-like structure, and I'm unable to close it fully when eating. I like to eat small fish, plankton, and algae, but my favorite food is jellyfish.
Very little is known about the reproductive biology of the ocean sunfish. The spawning period is thought to be between August and October, and a study identified asynchronous egg development, which suggests that they are multiple spawners. It has been suggested that the regular spawning areas observed were in the North and South Pacific gyres. The reproductive age of a mola mola is unknown. The growth rate of captive specimens revealed that an individual of 3 meters would be about 20 years old. The females are larger than the males, and with a 137 centimeter female is estimated to obtain 300 million eggs. These eggs are about 0.13 centimeters to grow all the way to 3 meters. Then they would have to increase a massive 60 million times.
Mola mola are very curious. Although they're not harmful to humans, they will approach divers. Their population is considered stable as of now, but they frequently get caught up in drift nets and trash bags that can resemble their favorite food, the jellyfish.
There have been many documented accounts of predation on the mola mola by sea lions, orcas, and sharks. They have been found in the stomach of blue sharks repeatedly, and also a white shark measuring over 5 meters. The fish had been bitten into 3 sections, and when combined was measured up to 2 meters. In November 2012, more than 100 juvenile mola mola washed up dead on the shores of Monterey Bay, California. Most of them were young, only measuring 40 to 50 centimeters in length. They were missing their dorsal fins, anal fins, and eyes. These events are mostly tied to predation in the area by California sea lions. Over 40 species of parasites can be found on a single species of ocean sunfish. Even the parasites have parasites. One parasite, commonly found, set the larval stage of shark tapeworms so that at some point it can be assumed the mola falls prey to a shark, enabling this parasite to complete its life cycle. A recent study shows that 90% of all large predatory fish have disappeared from the ocean since the birth of industrialized fishing. There is evidence that sharks, one of the known predators of mola, are declining worldwide at an alarming rate. This could greatly provide conditions favorable to the mola population globally. On the other hand, with mola mola being 70% of fishing bycatch off the Pacific and Atlantic coast, the numbers of mola are steadying rather than fluctuating. Tagging is the only way biologists have been able to learn anything about these animals recently. They spot a sunfish outline from the plotter plane and radio back to a boat, then tag the fish with modified spear gun. In the recent years, they have learned more about reproduction, but migration and population are still a mystery.
I hope you enjoyed following me along today. We shared some laughs and some good adventures together. And I hope you'll visit me next time. Until then, I'll be basking in the sun. I get my name.